So guys, we are another lovely day. I'm gonna crack on with some welding here. Gonna get all of this ground down, get it all welded up and ready to go. All the welding gear is ready. Let's get it over there and get a bit done.
You stay away from. Kick me feet up on the chair that's opposite to me. 80 quid a dirty pockets in the feet. You stack up on a foot. How bollocks should it be? Drop them in the bin. What I wouldn't give to kill all these Elvis talking shit to me. Jab, 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 cross it at me. Flawless victory. They flex on them, we're the best on them. My breast talking cowboy in the eye. You can go and keep your talk to yourself. Fuck them, they'll you the best and know them. While you're looking at them, go and get yourself some help. Fucking hell, you ain't coming close. Get your stuff and go when the final boss. You don't have a hope. Who's the best is me? Who's special for the breakfast? Me. Who's that your next one message? Me. Check a text is me. Fuck it, okay, you can get this. Load the gangsters that I'm yet to see. You'll suggest to you that you let it be. Post it up with the back in your head where the rent is. Flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you're written to write them off. Flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap. Gets launched on the final bus. You're written to write them off. Written to write them off. On the final bus. That line gets crossed. You don't wanna see that happen. See me snapping. Watch your boy freeze. You can see he lagging. You be in your fears when you see my. You be in your fears when you see my walk. When you see me strut in the place like I own that kid for the final boss. Not a soul coming close to the clone that shit. I'm a ghost. Oh, coke that shit. Baby on the flow when I coke that shit. Catch this smoke when I toss this rope. Start hoping the wall for the smoke that shit. Gonna hold that L. Post that shit. Baby on the move like a nomad is. You be out looking for the coast sign that you're never gonna get with your broke that shit. And I flex on them with the best on them. My breast talking cowboy in the eye. You can go and keep your talk to yourself. Let them know you the best and know them while you're looking at them. Go and get yourself some help.
Muy welds. Versus the better welds. Yeah, it's a big hole, but it's welded underneath. That's what she said. So Dan came over to give me a hand. He made these little tabs in work so we can bolt the frame down to the ground so it doesn't move. So we just put one in each section. We're going to do here as well. We'll put one there and one there. So that's the two side walls done. We're going to make the back wall in two sections and then we're going to clad it and then we're going to put it all together and put corner section cladding in it as well. Once we have the two side walls on the back wall, it's all going to come together. Then we just need to do the front section, this front section here as well and around here, just to make sure that's nice and rock solid. So next on the agenda is to knock the rest of this wall down, fix all that and then just make a gate. It's just going to make a square gate with exactly like this, but we're only going to do a 7 foot tall in the middle and then two bits up, and then we're just going to get wood and put the wood down on it, stick a caster wheel on it, and then that'll hold it up on the wall to swing it out. So yeah, that's it for today. We're going to come back to it another day, maybe Monday or Tuesday we'll get another bit done. So yeah, see you then. This is what's going to hold our gate on the side entrance. I'll put a picture up here. So these are 60mm by M8, so they're nice big and chunky for our brackets on the side entrance. So that's what we're going to build next. So let's get to it. So guys, unfortunately my puppy had to be put to sleep, so unfortunately with him not around anymore, I'm just going to get rid of this fence that I have had up for months and months and months and do the hard job of cleaning up all this poo that I've left for the past week because I just didn't have the heart for doing it. So it's been a week since I've recorded anything. It's pretty tough, still very upsetting, but yeah, I'm just gonna take this gate down and get rid of it. It's time for the dog run to go, so yeah, let's just get this done. Yeah, that's one panel out there. This is the idea with the wall. The wall is getting cut straight down all the way. All of this is going to be gone, and then all of this is going to get cut out as well. It's going to be nice and smooth. Then I can get rid of all this crap out of the way, do some slabbing here and get this new gate up that we're going to build. Grinder is ready. Let's cut into these blocks. Now we're all the way through, so just hit it with a hammer and get it down. Now we are getting there, so I just need to get these out and they get sorted for the gate. Just knocking this wall down, and here's one from my mate Dan. Look at the size of him. He's a biggie.
There's two.
There is two. There's a little one there and then a massive one. She's shitting herself. He's only a spider. Let's get this wall down. Now I have to wait till tomorrow to get Kango hammer, get all that lip up. I'm just going to rake all this back down, make this a bit lower because it's too high obviously, and then I'm just going to bring it up here where it's very low. As you can see where the water sits, this all needs to get pushed over there. I do need to get a bit more stone, but yeah, let's get all this looking like this. Now I just need to get the Kango, get all this out, get this big lump out, then it can be done flat. Then I can get the slabs over, stick them down. We're good. We're so close, guys. Literally this little piece to do, and then put some stone just all along here. Then I'm going to get a compactor and compact this down, get more stone for down there, level it off, and then we have a new plan. So yeah, this has been a hella long video. I'm going to leave it at that. Next video will be mounting the gate, well, the bracket for the gate with the other brackets to hold the actual gate. So the brackets for the wall, then the brackets on the steel pipe. I have to cut it like a 7-foot length. That's going to be the hanger for the gate. So yeah, loads done, still loads to do. So yeah, peace out, stick around, like, comment, subscribe and be dedicated. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.